Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the FPPR Anus Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the FPPR Anus Masturbator itself. As you can see, it comes in a discreet casing, so it's very easy to travel around with. To reveal the sleeve on the inside, simply remove the cap like so, and the sleeve is on the inside. So you can enjoy an intense stimulation and an unforgettable climax with this masturbator from the FPPR collection. If we remove the sleeve from the casing, we can have a look at this in more detail. The material is stretchy, flexible, and it's very soft and smooth, so it will feel very comfortable during use. The sleeve has a realistic colour and an exciting anus opening just there. The sleeve is napped and ribbed for maximum stimulation of the penis. Now, when using this anus masturbator, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the masturbator after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again. When finished drying, simply pop back in the case, pop the cap back on, and it's ready to use again on its next use. And that is the FPPR Anus Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.